In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix no desktop audio in OBS in under 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. First of all, open your OBS and make sure that the desktop audio is not muted or the bar is not on the left side, which make it more mute. Just move it to the right to make the sound more able to record it. Also, click on settings and go for the audio option and select from the desktop audio from the default to the speakers, and make sure that the audio is not selected for your screen and select it for the audio speakers. For me it's this one, or you can keep it as for the default, and that is probably is going to fix the issue. Let's test it. As you can see here, and the audio right now is working on the background. You will probably see that. Probably hearing this behind my voice, and as you can see I can move it forward to make the sound more higher and lower. Make sure you put it in the good place. And that's it guys. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and thanks for watching.